we're inside the built-in barbecue right now, and we brought in our linoleum tile that we already paintbrushed the Repel Gel barrier sealant with. And we put them on the linoleum tile, and this way it doesn't soak through the cement, and it creates a porous barrier. So we placed it in the barbecue, and that way if the rats and mice do come in, they'll hit the gel and it'll dry them out. Now what you also want to do is you want to paintbrush the gel onto these lines, these electrical lines, the gas lines that we have here, and also the water lines. And what this will do is create a barrier sealant to keep the rats and mice from eating these also. And that way you won't have any problems with electrical lines being chewed through, or gas lines, or any water lines.